जब मैं प्रेग्नेंट हुई फर्स्टली इट वाज एन अनप्लान्ड प्रेगनेंसी सो आई फेल लाइक मतलब हो क्या रहा है मेरे साथ सडनली यू नो बेबीज हार्ट रेट्स आर ड्रॉपिंग एंड दे वर लाइक अच्छा सी सेक करना है देन द नेक्स्ट 45 minutes I had the baby so I started working at a very young age the mother goes through a bigger mental trauma I feel people should talk about this giving formula is the absolute worst thing you can do for your baby it's good for your baby it's absolutely normal
A man to a father is a straight line.
Yeah.
A woman to a mother is वेलकम बैक टू अ ब्रांड न्यू एपिसोड ऑफ किसी ने बताया नहीं द मदरहुड जर्नी। माँ बनने का पहला एहसास है कुछ खास। आज मैं कॉन्वर्सेशन करूंगी ऐसी मॉम के साथ जो कि फैशन इंडस्ट्री में खूब जानी जाती हैं और उन्होंने अपनी डेडिकेशन और डिसिप्लिन से वापस अपने प्रोफेशन में बूम कम बैक किया है। Yes, I'm talking about Juhi Godambe. Thank you for doing this. I am extremely elated to have this conversation.
Thank you for having me. I'm so excited.
Yes, we have so much to talk.
Clearly.
The intent of doing this conversation is कि बहुत सी ऐसी चीज़ें हैं जो किसी ने बताई नहीं होती हैं, स्पेशली मदरहुड के लिए हमें प्रिपेयर नहीं किया जाता
Absolutely.
है। ना कोई इंफॉर्मेशन है, ना कोई गाइड बुक है और ना ही कोई ऐसे मॉम भी नहीं बताती हैं।
बट आई फील लाइक हो भी नहीं सकता है बिकॉज सबकी जर्नी इतनी अलग रहती है। जब मैं प्रेग्नेंट हुई फर्स्टली इट वाज एन अनप्लान्ड प्रेगनेंसी सो आई फेल लाइक मतलब हो क्या रहा है मेरे साथ। आफ्टर द बेबी केम अगेन आई फेल लाइक तुम कितना भी प्रिपेयर करो खुद को हो नहीं सकता है बिकॉज यू नो एवरी डे इज अ न्यू डे एंड आई एम लर्निंग सो मच. Baby is already 4 months now and I feel like I've become a new person since Aryan's born. So you can't really prepare yourself. इसके लिए कुछ कोई किस्म की गाइड हो नहीं सकती है।
Actually मुझे भी ये लगता था कि मैं I am fully prepared. मतलब लास्ट के जो मेरा लास्ट ट्राइमेस्टर था उसमें I was reading a lot, I was speaking to a lot of people. फिर मैंने अपना इस शो का पहला सीरीज मैंने उस टाइम शूट किया तो मुझे ऐसा लग रहा था शायद मुझे इन्फॉर्मेशन मिल गई है, you know, I'm interacting with new moms, they are giving me more information, I'm educating myself. जब खुद के बच्चे हुए तो ऐसा लगा कि
I feel मेरी डिलीवरी के साथ ये शुरू हुआ because मेरी डिलीवरी was supposed to be a planned you know it was supposed to be a induced labor.
Okay.
And मैं गई, I got myself admitted. I literally, you know, by the way, shot on the day I was supposed to deliver. I shot a project and I've gone and gotten myself admitted to the hospital. And it was supposed to be a normal delivery. And रात को suddenly, you know, baby's heart rates are dropping and they were like, अच्छा C-sec करना है. So I got admitted and within the next 45 minutes I had the baby. So you know you can't prepare yourself because I was preparing my body for a normal delivery. I did all sorts of exercises. But C-sec के बारे में मैंने सोचा ही नहीं था. And वो हो गया. So I feel like you can't prepare yourself.
Actually और इतनी unpredictability आती है कि बाद में जब सब कुछ हो जाता है ना फिर ऐसा लगता है कि यार it would have been better अगर हम अपने आप को you know कुछ पता नहीं है, you know, you would have left yourself to the unknown. But then I think the curiosity and the side that we have, it's always like I want to prepare myself.
As a mother, you feel like you want to know it all and you want to be prepared, but that again, like you really can't because till the time you're not put into the situation, आपको पता नहीं है कि क्या करना होता है.
Exactly. Juhi, I must say that you have bounced back and you're looking amazing.
You look at you. I mean, wow. I feel it applies to everyone.
I'm still struggling somewhere.
I feel you look amazing, honestly.
Thank you.
So good.
So I want to know if you want to share this part also. कि pregnancy के time, what were the things that you were absolutely aware about because you're a fashion creator, you're a model and I think you were there in Europe doing a fashion show and outstanding, you looked outstanding. So what exactly were you following during your pregnancy that helped you get back to your shape quickly?
So I'll tell you what, during my pregnancy, I think that was one time that I had a ball. I was literally eating everything because normally like I feel since I was very young, I kind of was very aware about what I put into my body, about working out because growing up I was on the heavier side and I wanted to like, you know, lose the weight and adapt a healthy lifestyle. So subconsciously I've always been very aware about what I eat and you know if I don't work out for a very long time I feel like it's not normal. But during my pregnancy I was like बस ये time है enjoy कर लो. Exactly. तो मतलब रात को late night drive Siddharth and I used to go for सब खा लो. So during my pregnancy I had a ball and you know I'm one of those lucky ones who had a very easy and smooth pregnancy.
Touch wood.
So exactly. So up until the last phase of my pregnancy, I had a ball. I was eating everything. I was traveling every month. I was in a new city, I feel like. So it went very smoothly and I had fun, most importantly. And abhi, after I've delivered, again, I took my time. I didn't, rush into trying to get back to the way I looked before because I feel like you can never look the way you did because your body's gone through so much. तो आप ये एक्सपेक्ट नहीं कर सकते कि आप प्रेगनेंसी के पहले जैसे दिख रहे थे वो अभी भी वैसे ही दिखोगे.
आपका वो लाइफ टाइम चेंज आता ही
Exactly. कुछ भी बोलो, you're a mom now. There will be, like, for example, this is TMI, but I've never been like heavy chested, and suddenly I have to like dress in a certain way because I was always on the petite side. Even though I've lost the weight, like there are still so many parts of my body that are new to me, and now I need to figure out how to dress that body. So I started working out abhi slowly. Now also I'm trying to eat right. But during my pregnancy, I had a ball. I was eating everything.
Wow. Juhi, when it comes to having the lifestyle that you had earlier, और अब माँ बनने के बाद कैसे change हुआ है और वो change were you able to accept willingly or were you prepared कि नहीं अगर वो change होगा तो शायद वैसा ना हो या फिर मेरे लिए कुछ अलग होने वाला है so I'm gonna have a little detour and maybe decide things for myself.
So with me the thing is I'm not an overthinker. तो मैंने इतना सोचा नहीं था जब I had the baby. But I feel like the first month of postpartum was a very difficult phase for me because I started working at a very young age. तो मुझे घर पे बैठ के बस बेबी के साथ रहना was not normal. Although obviously I wanted to give my all to the baby, but I felt like I was losing myself as an individual. And especially for people who've been working from a very young age, they can relate. So even though I just had a baby, my husband, my family, they were like, you need to take it easy, like relax, it's okay. I felt like नहीं मुझे काम करना है, मुझे कुछ तो करना है. तो that acceptance of it's okay to not do anything for a while, वो मुझे थोड़ा time लगा. There were times where I was crying. And even when I was going back to work, I was feeling guilty कि shit मैं baby के साथ नहीं हूँ. So I felt like to kind of figure a whole routine कि how do I work and still balance my life with the baby was something that I had to figure. It's been 4 months. I feel like I'm still figuring क्योंकि मैंने अभी थोड़े trips किए थे. मैं अभी स्पेन से आई हूँ. I'd gone to Milan. I can't tell you, Rubina, till the time I was at the airport, I felt like मैं जाऊँ कि नहीं जाऊँ.
I can feel it because मैं अपनी फिल्म प्रमोशंस के लिए गई थी, अपने आप को प्रिपेयर कर रही थी कि अब जाना है 4 दिन के लिए बेटियों को छोड़कर जाना है. तो एक हफ्ते से प्रेपरेशन चल रही थी. प्रेपरेशन इन द सेंस कि एक थोड़ा सा टाइम टेबल मम्मा के साथ डिस्कस कर लिया. फिर मम्मा तो इनफैक्ट सब कुछ जानती ही हैं, बट फिर अपना मुझे पंप करके रखना है तो मैं थोड़ा सा मिल्क में स्टोर कर रही हूँ, फिर थोड़ा सा पंप करके एक्स्ट्रा रेफ्रिजरेट करना है क्योंकि वो 4 दिन कैसे कॉम्पनसेट करना है. तो आई वॉज प्रिपेयरिंग विद लिटिल थिंग्स, बट मुझे ये नहीं लगा था कि मुझे मेंटली ये चीज़ इतनी मतलब इट जस्ट हिट्स यू सो हार्ड द डे यू हैव टू लीव.
आई फील लाइक इट्स द मदर. चलो बेबी को ऑफ कोर्स पता होता है कि माँ नहीं है आसपास, बट द मदर गोज थ्रू अ बिगर मेंटल ट्रॉमा.
एंड मुझे ऐसा लगता था दैट आई एम लाइक I'm gonna be a cool mother. मैं अपना काम भी करूँगी, अपना करियर भी करूँगी और मेरे बच्चे मुझे पता है कि अच्छे हाथों में पल रहे हैं तो मुझे फ़र्क शायद इतना ना पड़े. बट वो जिस दिन मैं निकली हूँ ना, आई एम टेलिंग यू, मतलब माई चेस्ट वॉज सुपर हैवी, माई बैक वॉज पेनिंग और मुझे लग रहा था मैंने कहा पता नहीं क्या हो रहा है. एंड मैंने आई वॉज सिटिंग विद अभिनव, मुझे और मैं बार बार बोल रही हूँ, मैंने कहा पता नहीं क्यों मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है आई डोंट वांट टू गो टू द एयरपोर्ट, आई एम फीलिंग वेरी uneasy.
Absolutely.
So he's like, it's okay, it's fine. मैंने कहा no, it's not fine. And then I don't know, I'm acting very weird. I'm telling my help, वो breast pump रखा है कि नहीं? I want to pump. मैंने कहा उसको सूटकेस से बाहर निकालो. I want to pump right now. And I'm sitting and I'm crying. और मुझे समझ में नहीं आ रहा कि हो क्या रहा था.
I feel every working mom can relate to this.
It was horrible. That feeling was horrible.
I remember the first trip that I went to. My husband was traveling with me. My baby was with my mother-in-law and my mom. And वो last feed जब मैंने आर्यन को दिया and मुझे एयरपोर्ट के लिए निकलना था, I just held him so tight and मुझे बस लग रहा था कि मैं सही कर रही हूँ कि नहीं. And I feel like we are very lucky कि हमारे पास वैसी support system है. मेरे in-laws भी I have to say have been so supportive. अभी बस recently मैं कैलकटा जा रही थी and सुबह की early morning flight थी. My father-in-law was coming to drop me to the airport. And he saw कि मैं थोड़ी वापस teary-eyed हो रही हूँ. And he was like, बेटा तुम काम करो, you don't have to worry about the baby, हम हैं. You focus on your work, you're working so hard for him only. So I feel like we are one of the lucky ones जिनके पास ऐसी इतनी supportive families
Yes,
है,
yes.
but फिर भी that guilt will never go, no matter what you do as a mother.
एंड इट इज वो गिल्ट ना आपको फिजिकली भी इतना अफेक्ट करता है. मैं ना पूरा जब से मैं घर से निकली थी टिल नेक्स्ट डे
Yeah.
मेरे को ना अजीब सी बॉडी में कुछ पेन हो रहा. मैं
Yeah.
अजीब सा बॉडी मतलब माई आई डोंट नो माई I had my cramps, I had my periods starting.
Yeah.
So body was telling
It's
that
going through
it's
so much.
yeah, it's going through so much. और इन सब के चक्कर में मैं अपना ब्रेस्ट पंप भूल गई घर पर.
Oh my God.
और रात को I had excruciating
Yeah.
pain. My bosom was like
Yeah,
hard
with the
as
lumps.
rock.
Yeah.
And I was मतलब मैं लिटरली आई वॉज लुकिंग आउट कि कहाँ जाकर मैनुअल ब्रेस्ट
Yeah.
पंप भी मिल जाए प्लीज. आई
God.
वॉन्ट टू हैव दैट एंड आई वॉज क्राइंग एंड आई वॉज
God.
लीकिंग एंड इट वॉज हर्टिंग. मतलब दे वर हार्ड एज रॉक. And I called my mom. Mama is like, "Are you okay?" मैंने कहा, "I don't know. I'm very disoriented.
Yeah.
I'm not feeling the same." And I called up Abhinav also.
Yeah.
रात के 12 बजे.
Wow.
He's like, "Please look out for some more. There will be some medical
Yeah.
stores and everything." 1 in the morning, I am pumping out and I'm crying.
Wow.
I'm like, it's not just the parting thing. It is the parting away from your own self and understanding these new things will happen and you're never prepared
You're
for
literally going through something you never thought. Like even for me, when I'm pumping, when I'm away and I'm pumping the milk and I have to throw it because obviously you can't bring it back.
I had to throw
I
that
feel
whole
like this is
milk.
called liquid gold or
Yeah.
इसको fake रही हूँ. And I used to be like, I wish मैं कुछ कर सकती. But I feel like as a working mom, I keep telling myself कि at the end of it, you're putting yourself through this for your baby's future.
Absolutely.
You're working so hard for your baby, so somewhere you need to accept it. कि today the mom also has to obviously go out and work. It's not just the
Yeah.
father's job.
Yeah.
And the fact that the society is also accepting this, so basically my following, right? Like when I used to put it out there, 99% of the people, especially women, would be like, I can relate to this. And the fact that you can do is it gives me more strength to do it
Exactly.
myself. So I feel like there's a community of mothers who kind of get it. Everyone has to go back to work and everyone has to accept it कि it's difficult but करना पड़ेगा.
I know. और हम जिस तरीके से हमारे लाइफ स्टाइल तो छोड़िए जिस तरीके से हमारी लाइफ में चेंज आता है ना एंड द न्यू थिंग्स दैट वी लर्न मतलब फॉर मी आई लर्न अप टिल 4-5 डेज बैक आई थॉट कि पंप करना इसलिए ज़रूरी है ताकि आप बच्चों को एक्सप्रेस करके दे सके बट उस दिन मुझे रियलाइज हुआ पंप करना ज़रूरी है बिकॉज मतलब it clogs and it can create issues inside
and also
and
milk
create
supply
lumps.
for the milk supply to be constant because a lot of people keep asking me कि आप exclusively breastfeed कर रहे हैं but when you're traveling how do you manage so obviously pump करके रखना होता है which itself is such a task क्योंकि you're feeding and plus pumping
20 minutes you're just pumping and then मुझे तो वाइल पंपिंग मुझे गिल्ट वो होता है कि यार मैं पंप करके रख तो रही हूँ दैट स्किन टू स्किन विल नॉट हैपन आई एम गोना मिस दैट एंड वेदर आई एम डूइंग इट राइट अब मैं ये करूँ कि नहीं करूँ अगर मैं वो नहीं करूँगी तो मैं यहाँ काम पर नहीं आ पाऊँगी अब काम पर भी हम क्योंकि आज की डेट में मुझे ऐसा लगता है यू एंड मी वी आर हैविंग दिस कॉन्वर्सेशन ऑफ ब्रेस्ट पंपिंग एंड ऑल पर हमारे सो कॉल्ड अभी सेट्स या सो कॉल्ड शूट लोकेशंस इतने फ्रेंडली नहीं हुए हैं कि दे कैन प्रोवाइड अ सेपरेट रूम फॉर मदर्स टू पंप आउट मिल्क एंड क्योंकि मुझे डिफिकल्टी होती है मैं सुबह कभी कभी लेट हो जाती हूँ क्योंकि आई हैव टू पंप एंड शाम को भी मुझे सिर्फ यही होता है यार शूट रैप अप करना है जाना है आई हैव टू पंप
आई फील पीपल वोंट गेट इट unless people who are very close to you जो आपको देख रहे हैं डे इन एंड डे आउट लोगों को तो पता ये कॉन्सेप्ट की आइडिया नहीं है कि ऐसे करना होता है
इसीलिए मैं चाहती थी मैंने कहा all new mothers we should have this collective conversation where we can vocalize and normalize these things आपने mention किया family support system कितना important it has played while you've been out there and your son is being taken care this support system I believe आज की डेट में हर माँ के पास होना चाहिए if we have correct support system and if we have that strong pillars around us and we are mentally at ease I think happy mothers they birth healthy children
absolutely
and healthy children they grow up to become emotionally intelligent youth
absolutely
and that emotionally intelligent youth builds a prosperous nation
absolutely
so I think we are the one who are actually creating that future for us as a nation also.
And I feel like also your child, right? Like your child will grow up to be proud of you. Ki in spite of going through so much after birthing the child, you've gone back to work. That on its own is so for me. I kind of saw it with my mom, right? My mom was also back to work when I was around 2-3 months, and my dadi and my bua, who she's unmarried. she's the one who took care, like they are the one who kind of took care of me because my parents also used to travel a lot to work. So for me, it's very normal.
Juhi, you mentioned your mother. Now I want to, get back to that connection that we had in the starting of our conversation. I was fortunate enough to work with your mother and father, Bharat and Doris.
Right.
They are the ace in the industry, in the makeup industry. और जब मेरा career शुरू हुआ था, I was fortunate that I had this privilege of being the face where Doris she did my hair for one of the award shows and Bharat did the makeup. और उस टाइम हमारे लिए ऐसा होता था कि भरत एंड डॉरिस हमारा मेकअप करेंगे. और जब मुझे पता चला कि जूही इज़ देयर डॉटर, देन आई वाज इवन मोर एक्साइटेड. क्योंकि क्या होता है ना कि कुछ लोग आप लाइफ में व्हेन यू लुक अप टू certain people and फिर पता चलता है कि there is a connection to the person who will be a part of your show or your conversation ahead. I don't know, मुझे दिल ही दिल में बहुत खुशी होती है उस चीज़ की. Coming back to our conversation and our motherhood challenges, what was the most painful, वो बोलते हैं ना दिल पर भारी चीज़ जो आपने पहली बार experience की, either after pregnancy या फिर after the childbirth?
I feel as I told you, right, like the day I left to go on a trip, I feel like I was crying I was a wreck. I was crying the time I was leaving. I was crying at the airport. And till date, like I'm a workaholic, honestly. Like when it comes to work, I won't question anything. But for the first time in my life, I was like, मैं करूँ कि नहीं? Should I just take a break? For the first time in my life, I was like, is it worth it? So I feel like that was a very difficult phase.
I don't know. I mean, though my nutritionist and my gynecologist, they had given me a heads up that Rubina, around 4th month and then 6th month, जब आपके hormonal surges आते हैं, and when you are about to wean off and all, just keep yourself aware of these things because you will have certain changes which you will not be able to actually mark it. तो जब मेरे साथ ये पिछले हफ्ते 10 दिन से हो रहा था तो मुझे यही लगा, मैंने कहा यार पता नहीं मे बी कुछ गलत खा लिया है या सो नहीं पाए हैं, कुछ तो अजीब है. बट क्या अजीब है ये कोई बताता ही नहीं है आपको.
कुछ लाइक आई एम टेलिंग यू, अभी मेरा हेयर फॉल, राइट, इवन दैट्स ट्रिगरिंग टू मी क्योंकि लिटरली आई फील लाइक आई हैव लॉस्ट हाफ माय हेयर. यू आर नॉट प्रिपेयर्ड फॉर दिस.
आई थिंक सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस हिट्स
एंड हाउ
इतना जैसे अभी ये कॉन्वर्सेशन भी हो रही है ना, मेरा दिमाग बार बार जाता है, मतलब it just goes in some daze mode. And then I'm thinking about Edha and Jeeva and then I'm coming back in this conversation. तो मेरे लिए पहले focus was something that it just came like this. मैं कोई काम कर रही हूँ तो मेरा एकदम sharp focus रहता था. अभी अपने को वापस conversation में focus में लाने के लिए भी it's a challenge.
It's a lot. Even that on its own is an additional job to do. Because like you have to be focused, you have to do the job well, think about the baby, like सब कुछ, like there's so many things.
और पता है लोग ना तुरंत कैसे आपको जज करते हैं, अरे वाह तुमने तो वेट लूज कर दिया, तुम तो बैक इन शेप आ गई, तुम्हारे लिए तो आसान होगा, तुम्हारे लिए तो.
I have to tell you about this. So अभी recently I started taking Aru down in my building, okay? तो पहली बार I'm going down, there are these aunties sitting in the building, and नीचे जाती है, I felt like attack mode चालू हो गया. अच्छा तो आरू वाज ऑन द चबियर साइड एंड ही इज अ टॉल बेबी. तो उसको देखिए, अच्छा तो तुम तो फॉर्मूला देती होगी. आई एम लाइक नहीं, ही इज एक्सक्लूसिवली ब्रेस्ट फेड. अच्छा तुम तो फुल डाइटिंग कर रही हो. नहीं, आई एम जस्ट वर्किंग आउट. मतलब इतने जजमेंट्स, लाइक जस्ट यू वांट टू सी द, यू वांट टू लाइक थिंक अबाउट द वर्स्ट. लाइक जस्ट से हेलो ना, लाइक ये कुछ भी पूछने के लाइक just jumped onto me and just thinking about the negatives. I'm like पहली बात तो अगर मैं फॉर्मूला दे भी रही हूँ तो उसमें कुछ बुरा नहीं है. Like for every mother there's
I had to give formula because मेरे पास twins थे और मेरे पास तो I think पहले 3 दिन में I did not lactate well as it was supposed to. They had to be fed.
I feel people should talk about this because I went for this prenatal class, okay, and उधर मुझे मतलब बोल दिया था कि नहीं, giving formula is the absolute worst thing you can do for your baby. But when you just give birth, you're not lactating, you have to. So मुझे वो गिल्ट हो रहा था कि अरे मैं बेबी को फॉर्मूला दे रही हूँ, I'm not able to produce milk. My doctor was like, this is normal. You're not going to be able. Do you want to starve your baby? देना ही पड़ेगा. तो I feel like this taboo is in India specifically कि formula is like a taboo word. Where it isn't. It's good for your baby. It's absolutely normal.
They are getting all the nutrition. Yes. Your breast milk is
the best thing you can do.
It's the best thing.
But there are certain moms who are not able to, or imagine for our job, sometimes we can kind of figure out our own schedules.
Yeah.
But imagine a mother who's in the corporate field, who has a 9 to 5 job. Like, what would she do? You know, so when I had my baby, aaj tak, I give my baby a bath myself and massage मैं खुद करती हूँ.
Wow.
वो बस I do my best whenever I can. I want to do it. क्योंकि you know, I've seen traumatizing videos of the malish ladies coming home and doing the massages. And you know, I've heard even my mother and my in-laws going like, this is how you were raised. तुम्हें तो ऐसे ही मसाज किया था. I was like, मुझे किया गया था because that time शायद awareness कम थी. अभी मुझे पता है. You know, if the baby is not having, if the baby is crying during a massage, it's a massage. The baby is supposed to enjoy it, not cry.
Exactly.
तो उसमें भी you like, हाँ अभी तो तुम्हें you know ज़्यादा ही पता है.
Difference of opinion or generation.
Exactly. So I feel like it's very important to put your foot down because as a mother, you know what's best for your child.
Yeah.
So I have, you know, drawn a line in a way that whatever my doctor says, I know is best for my child. I will listen to that. Baaki sabke opinions are welcome, but I'll still do what I think is best for my child because I get so many opinions on a daily basis.
Yes, but you have rightly said a mother knows the best for her child, and I also had to face so many वो.
Yeah.
Starting I remember डॉक्टर बोले कि 27 डिग्रीज अब यहाँ पे गर्मी होती है ना कि आपका टेम्परेचर 27 डिग्रीज टू 25 डिग्रीज इज नाइस एंड कंफर्टेबल. अब उसमें आप कैप भी पहना के रखो, मिटन्स भी पहना के रखो, बच्चा स्वेट कर रहा है क्योंकि अब स्वेट ग्लैंड सिर्फ सर पे होते हैं. अब कैप लगा के रखो, एसी चलाना है नहीं चलाना है, तो घर पे ना वो कांस्टेंट ऐसा फ्रिक्शन कि किसकी सुने किसकी करे.
I remember मैं you know we were going somewhere and मैं नीचे उतरी थी बेबी के साथ and Aru was born with a you know head full of hair. तो he doesn't like wearing a cap. आप पहना दो, he'll just pull it off. तो मैं नीचे जा रही है, एक आंटी ने कमेंट कर दिया, अरे इतने छोटे बच्चे को कैप पहनाना चाहिए. I'm like, ठीक है, very sweet, but आपको पता नहीं है ना मेरा situation क्या है. Like, don't comment. Like, I hate it when people get too intrusive and they feel like they can just say whatever. The mother knows the best. Period.
Yes, and for that, this very situation, because I remember my gynecologist saying that. What temperature you will feel is exactly what your child is going to feel.
Okay.
So I started seeing कि अगर मुझे 2 layer में ही if I'm comfortable, क्योंकि नवंबर और दिसंबर था तो हल्का सा सर्दी वाला फील था. मैं कहा 2 layer में अगर मैं comfortable हूँ, I'm gonna keep my daughters in 2 layers. Swaddle रात को कर लिया so that you know they say they feel like that they are still in the womb. They are warm enough. They'll sleep well. And I had a lot of friction. I had a lot of you know घर पे ही मम्मा के साथ differences. And then
I feel like the first month after I gave birth, I literally felt like mama bear because सब कुछ was like a friction. कि अरे ऐसे मसाज कर रहे हो, अरे you're not eating enough milk कैसे आएगा.
लड्डू खा लो.
हाँ लड्डू खा. अब मुझे खा लो लड्डू यार. अरे cover your ears with a scarf.
बाल कवर कर लो, कपड़े
कॉटन डालो कान में. I'm like, firstly I'm already going through so much, just leave me alone. I feel like the first month was the most difficult because itne opinions and you know you have to do so much
and you're trying to listen to everyone and do also.
Exactly, you want to do the right thing but there's just so much to listen to. You're just like bas karo yaar. You know, I remember like the first appointment that I went to my baby's doctor. That time I was questioning everything. You know, am I doing the right thing? Am I feeding correctly? Ye kar rahi hu, wo kar rahi hu. After the first appointment, he told me, "You're doing a great job. I'm so happy with Aru's progress."
And how nice it feels.
And that literally felt like a report card. You know, जब school से report card मिलता है and you get like an A+. I was like, I felt like I've finally done something right.
I can relate to it because you know, मैं ना सारे questions ना मैं एक डायरी मेंटेन करती हूँ और मैं सारे questions लिखती हूँ क्योंकि अब ना भूलने की आदत ऐसी हो गई है, मैं भूल जाती हूँ. तो मैं सारे क्वेश्चंस लिखा और फर्स्ट अपॉइंटमेंट थी पीडियाट्रिशियन के साथ ना, सब लिखा हुआ. आई एम आस्किंग हिम एंड आस्किंग एंड देन ही टर्न्स एंड अभिनव ऐसे बैठे हैं, मम्मा ऐसे बैठे हैं. योर डॉटर इज डूइंग अ ग्रेट जॉब. Abhinav, you've really found a good wife. She is.
That's the best thing a doctor can tell you.
And I'm smiling.
Literally.
I'm smiling through my teeth. I'm like,
and even I'm looking at Siddharth. I'm like, see, like I'm doing a good job. He's like, Siddharth's like, of course you're doing a good job, but this was just what I wanted to hear.
Yeah.
You know, the first month I remember, like when I'm exclusively breastfeeding. And sometimes the baby would cry. The baby is not even hungry, but you know, your mom will be like, "Arey, you just feed him. Maybe he's hungry. Maybe he's not even hungry." And I used to feel like, am I starving my baby? मैं नहीं दे रही हूँ वापस. And then the doctor said, "Arey, your baby is doing well."
Yes.
That's the only thing I wanted to hear. Now I'm like, now I know what I'm doing. Just थोड़ा back off.
Exactly. अब थोड़ा सा वो होता है ना, the reins are in your hand and you know how to maneuver it. While you were navigating all these things, did you ever feel? I'm sure you must have felt. Did you ever feel that I am losing myself in the whole process?
I feel like the struggle is still happening. Like although it's gotten easier, it's been 4 months, but I feel like I still sometimes. I'm having a bit of an identity crisis. Like, for example, even with what I do as a content creator, I'd put my foot down. I remember the very initial meeting, I was like, guys, although I'm a mom now, I don't want to forget who I actually am. My content will strictly be fashion. It doesn't have to be baby content, because respectfully, that is not what I work so hard to like. It's been what, 8 years now, and I've been talking about fashion. Suddenly I don't want people to forget ki acha she talks about fashion. It doesn't have to suddenly become just baby. So I feel like identity crisis to ho rahe abhi tak, because every day is, you are a new person and you need to accept that. So I'm still figuring it out. Abhi tak ho raha hai.
Yeah, and plus since we are there on social media now, even the brands that they approach, they want a mother centric thing or a baby centric thing.
In fact, the keyword, right? Every time I get a collaboration and there's a script that's being sent to me, they're like, as a new mom. I'm like, guys, ye as a new mom wala word to please आप block कर दो. I'm not gonna say as a new mom. Because that is not all I am right now.
Exactly.
I am a mom, but that is for me to keep. Like, I don't want to say that. Not every video has to start with as a new mom.
Yeah, but that's brave. That's brave of you. क्योंकि मेरे को भी ये struggle करने में ना, मतलब मुझे भी अपनी ऐसे टीम को बताना पड़ता था. मैंने कहा यार क्यों ही ये सब चीजें baby oriented या baby centric होनी चाहिए, and everything is just beginning from that aspect. Am I losing myself somewhere? What I have done for so many years, is it going to take a back seat, or is it not going to be recognized anymore?
Because
or
it is a very important aspect of your life, but what happens is, I feel then it's just about that.
Exactly.
And then you do happen to lose yourself. So somewhere I felt like I wanted to take a stand, and I went like, I'm only going to talk about fashion. Of course, baby is a part of what I do. My family is a part of what I do. Fitness is something that I like to talk about. All of that will come in spurts, but let's not forget what I actually like to talk about, because this is the reason why I created this page at the end of the day.
But it's a part of our life, and if we are vocalizing it, and this conversation is to normalize these things. और जब तक हम वो कर पाएंगे, I think we are setting the ground for every new mom to be okay to have these problems.
I have so much respect for women in general. After, I feel like till I gave birth, or up until I was pregnant, like I was like, हाँ ठीक है, being a mom is difficult. But after I actually went through it, I'm like, how much your body goes through. The amount of work that a mother does, no one in this world can ever do.
वो Instagram पे वो देखा है, वो memes चलते थे ना, a man to a father is a straight line.
Yeah.
A woman to a mother is finally
this line, I remember, I'm sure every girl has got this line from their mom, but like my mom used to be like, जब तू माँ बनेगी ना, तब तुझे पता चलेगा.
सबको मिलता है
ये line. हाँ मम्मी, like the amount of, like I can't imagine what you've gone through. When I went for that first trip, mom was like, now you know how I used to feel. Everything I do nowadays, mom was like, now you know. Now I know, mommy.
But your mothers have been the greatest.
I've been staying at my mom's place for the past couple of days, and it's been so blissful. Like my mom's co-sleeping with me right now. So every night mom is like, after I finish feeding the baby, तू सो जा, like मैं हूँ. And I'm like, कौन करेगा ऐसे? It's only mothers.
भैया अपनी माँ ही करती हैं और वो ही समझती हैं. I remember when you said ना कि मैं अभी 2 दिन सो पाई हूँ. I can relate to it. That नींद ना सिर्फ 3 घंटे भी मिल जाए ना एक स्ट्रेच पे, इतना अच्छा लगता है. ऐसा लगता है कि पहले ऐसा लगता था 8-9 घंटे भी कम है यार.
It's like now what sleep?
मतलब
स्लीप तो एग्जिस्ट करती ही नहीं है, पर वो 2 घंटे का भी स्लीप जो ऐसे एक स्ट्रेच में मिल जाता है, that's like wow.
It is so refreshing और उसका इम्पोर्टेंस पता चलता है.
Absolutely.
Thank you जूही, thank you. मतलब इतना कुछ है शायद हमको बोलने के लिए और बात करने के लिए, that टाइम कैसे उड़ गया समझ ही में नहीं आया. But thank you जूही, thank you for doing this, because these conversations are not just important for us to discuss, but for our audience, even for our community to know and understand, or maybe just grab छोटी-छोटी चीज़ें, and they can also include that in their life, how we've been dealing with our situations. I think somewhere gives a hope to the other person or who watches or listens. So thank you for doing this. We end the segment with your first reaction or your first feeling of. So your first reaction or your feeling when you saw your son?
You crying. Wow. It just came very naturally. The doctor lifted the baby up, and Sid and I just started bawling our eyes out.
Oh wow. Yeah. Your first reaction when your son smiled at you?
Oh my God, my heart
You
sank.
remember?
It was just like, of course I remember. Now is the time when he's actually like, you know, laughing.
More interactive.
He's
Yeah.
so interactive and it's just the sweetest thing ever.
I think that is the most rewarding thing.
Yeah,
also.
absolutely, absolutely.
नहीं तो फिर इतना जितना भी हम
Yeah.
स्ट्रगल और जितना भी हम स्लीपलेसनेस
Yeah.
के उससे गुजरते हैं, अगर हमारे बच्चे हमें रिएक्ट ना
Yeah.
देना, वो दैट
Yeah.
रिएक्शंस आर
It's
priceless.
the sweetest thing. I mean, it's priceless.
Exactly.
Absolutely, yeah.
Your first feeling or your reaction when you had to leave your son and step out for work.
I was questioning it all. And again, like one of the most difficult things I've done in my life.
Wow. Your first feeling and reaction when you stepped up on the stage or at the work or your arena after giving birth to your son.
Feeling very unsure, underconfident, you know, just trying to put up a face showing that, okay, I'm the same person, but actually I'm not.
Wow.
Yeah.
Thank you, Juhi. Thank you so much. So we wrap this up with a little fun segment क्योंकि इतने heart to heart
Yes.
conversation हो जाती है
हाँ.
हमारी, तो हमारे fun segment के लिए एक छोटी सी गेम हम खेलते हैं, and
Okay.
for that we just switch.
Okay.
So you have to switch. So this is the fun segment here where छोटा सा हम गेम खेलेंगे जहाँ आपको guess the baby products.
Okay.
तो आपको क्या करना है, ब्लैक कार्ड अपने forehead पे रखना है.
Okay.
I will enact the product and you have to
अच्छा.
guess what it is.
Okay. ठीक है.
Let's see मेरी
चलिए.
acting skills कैसे हैं और आपकी guessing
तो
skill
कौन
कैसे
सा?
है. कोई
अच्छा,
भी ये पहला वाला.
पहला वाला,
ऊपर
okay.
देखना नहीं है.
ऐसे. अच्छा.
Yes.
Okay, okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Pacifier, Teether. Teether.
Yes.
Oh wow.
Good.
Not bad, not bad.
Yes. No.
Okay.
Next.
Chalo.
Okay.
Walker.
Correct.
Not bad. huh?
Yeah. Okay.
Bath. Bathtub.
Super. The last one.
Okay, cool. Chalo.
Um, okay.
Is it the jhabla?
It is the jabla. Very good. Superb,
bad.
superb, Juhi. You
Yay.
are incredible.
Wow.
Superb.
Thank you.
Now for this, we have a chota sa token of appreciation for you
Okay.
because we celebrate mothers here. Can I please get
Aww.
the house of makeup for you?
That's so sweet. Thank you.
Yes.
Thank
And
you.
for our baby Aryan, we have
That's so. Oh my God.
chota sa
ये क्या?
love from us.
Thank you. So sweet.
From Bumtum.
me
Yes.
help you.
Yeah, it's heavy. दोनों के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा difficult हो जाएगा. Please ले जाओ.
Thank you. Thank you. So sweet. He's gonna love the little elephant.
Yes.
Not the little elephant.
Yes, he's Elfie by the way.
Aw.
And this is
इतना सारा.
sugar-free cookies for you
Thank
to
you.
indulge guilt-free.
I love cookies.
And this is jade for your bedroom.
Thank you.
Thank you so much,
Thank
Juhi.
you. Thank you for
You've
having
been
me.
incredible. You've been
is so much fun.
so warm. You've been so welcoming with the idea and thought that I just wanted to continue speaking to you. But thank you so much.
It was so much fun. Thank you for having me.
I hope you enjoyed.
I loved it.
Thank you. Thank you.
It feels like दिल हल्का हो जाता है.
Really?
Yeah.
मैं इसीलिए conversation करती हूँ, सबके साथ अपना दिल हल्का करती हूँ मैं.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you guys. Thank you.
Thank you. This is so nice.